These accessories are compatible with Tikom G8000 and Tikom G8000 Pro models. This spare pack includes one main brush, 4 side brushes, 4 HEPA filters, 2 mop cloths, and 1 cleaning tool. The bristle rubber brush made from soft nylon material and will not hurt the floor. The bristles are dense and clean well. HEPA filter effectively filters dust, pollen, and other fine particles. The filter needs to be replaced regularly to maintain its filtration performance. The bristles of side brushes is also nylon material. It has optimal clean angle. The mop cloth has strong water absorption, strong and durable. The edge of the cloth is sewn precisely, which can better maintain its shape and performance.